A sales forecast estimates the number of units we believe we can sell over the coming year. This is an important decision as it's used to calculate our required production and also feeds into the live forecast widget. On the right-hand side of the pricing and production screen, we see last year's demand for my product was 20,180 units. And my sales forecast was very good at 94%. To conduct an accurate sales forecast, we need to use the Sales Information Report. I can see last year my market share was 53.2% of total market sales. And we can see that the forecast total market size next year will be 41,000 units. So I will make my forecast using the following calculation. In this example, that will be 41,000 units multiplied by 53.2%, giving me a sales forecast of 21,812 units. This gives a good estimate of what I believe I will sell this year. However, you should adjust this if you believe your decisions for the year ahead will have an impact on sales. For example, a drop in retail price or an increase in advertising expenditure. Once I have decided on a figure, it's entered here. Now that I have my sales forecast, it's important I then update my production decision. This will ensure I will produce sufficient bikes to meet my forecast. We can see that based on my current production, I would only be able to sell 19,404 units. So I need to increase production to meet my sales forecast of 21,812 units. Based on last year's sales, I have 404 units of opening inventory. So I simply take my sales forecast of 21,812 and minus any opening inventory, which in this case is 404. This means I need to produce 21,408 units. I enter this figure here. Now our units available for sale next year matches our sales forecast.